Hi, I'm Juno Prudomm, a yacht broker with Dennison Yachting located here in Miami Beach, Florida. Today we're on board MANCUSA, a 2011 Sunseeker 63 Manhattan. What I like about this boat, she has way more upgrades than any other Sunseeker 63 on the market. Her overall length is 69 feet, which gives you that feel that you're on a 70-foot yacht, and she's equipped with 4 staterooms. As you know, Sunseeker is known for its elegance and speed, and this boat shows it. Her dark hull side color and her lines gives her the look of a phantom on the water. Her aggressive profile and big wake is how you know a Sunseeker is coming at you. Today we're going to start our walkthrough here on the teak hydraulic swim platform. Here you have removable chocks for your jet ski. What's also nice is that your swim platform is hydraulic, which gives you easy access into the water. Here on the starboard side is your access door to your crew area. Here in the crew area, you have side-by-side berths and a full-size wet head. Let's jump back out to the swim platform, where you can see she's equipped with a Euro transom, which gives you access either port or starboard to the cockpit. I love this spacious cockpit without the table. This gives you plenty of room to entertain family and friends. What's nice about the Manhattan series, you have 2 other places on board that you can dine without utilizing the cockpit. In 2018, the current owner decided to do some upgrades. They replaced all the exterior upholstery, new sound system, and the teak. Another feature you can see overhead are her LED lights, which turn white or blue. Outboard of the seating are a pair of Lumar winches. And on your starboard side are your stairs to your Flybridge. Below the Aftech teak sole is your engine room. She's powered with MAN V8s, which gives you 1,000 horsepower each. This would allow you to outrun any storm. In terms of performance, she'll cruise at 25 knots and a top end in the 30s, depending how hard you want to run her. Before you enter the salon, what I like are these doors. They open 3/4 of the way, which offers you a great look at the interior or exterior. Walking into the salon, you can see it's separated into 2 distinct areas. In the aft half of the salon, you have your U-shaped seating area, which can seat 6 to 8 guests, and across from you is your love seat. Behind the love seat is your Samsung Smart TV. Continuing forward on the starboard side brings us to our formal dining. Here is your seating for 6 without feeling cramped. Across from your dining area is your galley. So here at the galley, she has a full-size Waco fridge and freezer, 3-burner cooktop, stainless steel sink, and a microwave convection oven and an abundance of storage. Adjacent of your galley is your lower helm. Facing all the navigation equipment is your captain seat, which is fully adjustable. So as far as equipment goes, across the top is your centerline Garmin GPS, 2 MAN engine displays, as well as 2 multifunction Garmin displays. Directly below this is the wheel. Outboard of the wheel to your starboard side is your side power bow and stern thruster. I'd like to note the stern thruster was an upgrade. Additionally are your engine controls. One of the things that make this easy to run this boat yourself is the side access door. Here, this gives you access to the bow or the stern and allows you to hear commands from your crew. Let's make our way down to the staterooms, but I'd like to note in the companionway is your AC/DC system and your Waco fridge. Below deck are 4 staterooms, but the first we're going to visit is the master. Here at your full beam master is your Island Queen berth, which is flooded by light by our 2 hull side windows. Here on the port is majority of your cabinet storage, as well as your locker closet. Moving to starboard is your sofa for 2, which I feel this is a very romantic area. Because of the hall side window, you can take in the view of your next bucket list destination. Aft of the sofa is your entrance to the ensuite. Sunseeker has really outdone themselves in the ensuite. In here are all the appliances you'll need, which you'll also find at home. Emerging from your ensuite, what you see is your forward bulkhead, which is equipped with a Samsung TV. One step outside is your guest bunk room for the kids. Your third stateroom is forward on your starboard side. Here she's equipped with your side-by-side berths, Samsung TV, and ensuite. This ensuite with shower has a second door in the hall, which acts as your day head. So our fourth stateroom is forward in the bow, which is your VIP. Here in the VIP is your island berth, storage all around, Samsung TV, and ensuite. So above the berth is your emergency hatch, which is molded into the foredeck and is our next stop. Up here is your centerline sun pad, 4 cup holders, and your Lumar windlass. Because this entire bow is encompassed by bow rail, you don't have to worry about safety. All you have to do is worry about enjoying yourself. Next, let's take a look at our final stop, the Flybridge. The Flybridge is accessed from your aft deck, which is where you're gonna make most of your memories. Up here, you have enough seating area to hold an army, as well as a sun pad. All the way aft is your fold-out teak table, which is part of a larger U-shaped dinette. Adjacent to this is your grilling area. Next up is another U-shaped seating area on the port side, which transforms into a sun pad as you move forward. And finally, this brings us to the upper helm. Her electronics are redundant to what's on the lower helm station, and this will be the primary area where you'll run the boat. Thank you for coming on board MANCUSA, the Phantom on the water. If you'd like further information or schedule a private showing, please feel free to contact me anytime.